Today we have National Geographic with Gnocchi the Cat.
Gnocchi the Cat.
As you can see,
Oh.
he is standing next to his new pole. He seems very interested in the new pole. He doesn't know what to do with the new pole. He is now walking. He's now eating the treats he has on the second floor. He is reaching over on the second floor. He is trying to get two paws up on the second floor. He's now on the ground. Gnocchi the Cat is now walking around. He is now trying to get on himself up to the second floor. He has now jumped up on the couch. He has now hopped back down. This is the fun you can have at National Geographic. He has now jumped up to the second floor. Trying to get up the left of his treats. He now stares upward to the third floor. Maybe not. I don't know. He's a cat. How can I tell? He is now sniffing out the pole. He is now playing with his toy. He is getting ready to sit down as a comfortable cat like all cats do once a day.
What happened up there?
Yep. This is the things that can happen on National Geographic. He now circles around the pole. He is now sniffing out the new material that he is unused to. It's unused to word, probably not. He now stares upward at the third floor. He went like... Gnocchi Cat is still a rather new kitty. He is only about, 8 months old? 7 to 8 months old. He now sniffs at his toy again. He is now going on the couch. I'm going to grab my water before he gets it. Gnocchi the Cat is now sitting comfortably on the couch. He now goes back up to the second floor. He is now using the scratch part of the post to scratch. He now works his way up to the third floor. He's thinking about it. He is not quite ready yet. He is now thinking he is up on top of the third floor. He is sniffing out the top part of the toy. He is still wondering what the top part of the toy does. He now stares up at the fourth floor. Gnocchi the Cat is making quick progress for this only being up for about 5 minutes. Gnocchi the Cat is now staring up at the ceiling. He is now looking at the thermostat.
Made it to the other one, huh?
Yep, he looked at the fourth for a second. He is now playing with the top of his toy. He is now sniffing out the fabric. He is still not so used to it. He is looking at his surroundings like a cat usually should. Gnocchi the Cat now looks over at this direction. He now thinks about going back down to the second floor. No, he's playing with his toy. He is dangling. What a cat. This is the fun you can have at National Racing Geographic. I have now changed the name halfway through this video. Yes. He now looks straight at us. He now continues to play with his toy. He seems to enjoy that toy. He now does not know what to do with the toy that he has in his paw. He has thought about every use of this tower, of the pole, besides go up to the 4th floor. He has climbed 3 steps already. That 4th one is going to be a challenge, so especially on how will I get down. He seems to be playing with his toy. He is now chewing on said toy. He now does not know what to do with said toy as he stares at us. He is just doing cat things. Mr. Gnocchi the Cat. Mr. Gnocchi the Cat does not know what to do again and again and again with this massive pole. He now sits proudly on the pole as a cat. And that is what I call a National Racing Graphic video.